Hello everyone, welcome to Native Mobile Bits. My name is Sachin and I am an Android application developer from India. In today's video, we are going to cover the remaining part of Android 12 updates. In previous video, we have already updated our project's compile and target SDK to API 31 and we have properly exported all of our application's component in our project's manifest file. So let's go through the points we are going to cover in today's video. We have updates in pending intents declaration, we have updates in alarm manager, we have updates in Bluetooth and alarm permissions as well. And we also need to update our work manager if we are using any previous versions of it. Alright, so now let's check the project we are going to use in today's video. So I have just created one perfect sample application which has all the necessary things which we need to update in order to successfully migrate our applications. So this project is available on my GitHub and this is a very simple Android application which has very basic functionality. In this, a user can select any time of the day and they can just set alarm for that time, and at that particular selected time our app will show one notification and alert the user that okay, the alarm is ringing now. So as you can see that I have added all of these things which we covered in previous videos. SDKs are updated and in manifest file also we have properly added the exported attributes. So all of these things are already done and we are on the same state where we was in the previous video after one round of updation. And in today's video, we will move forward to the next step. Let's try to run this project on API 31 emulator. So I have initiated the install and the project is building now. Okay, so the installation is failed and we are getting some error, and this error is saying that some flags are needed. Some flag immutable or mutable we need to specify while creating a pending intent. Okay, so let's just copy this pending intent and inside our project we can just try to search where we have used it. So here inside our main activity we are using it to create a alarm manager pending intent. This is our previous signature of pending intent broadcast creation. So now as this error is saying that we need to use this flag immutable or flag mutable, so let's just try to add this here inside our flag. Now the question comes, should I use this immutable flag or should I use this mutable flag? What it is? So this is very interesting actually. So inside pending intent, we just specify any specific task to any other application to do on behalf of us. Okay. So before Android 12, that application could modify the pending intent we are specifying to that application. Let's discuss about these different kind of flags available. If we are adding immutable flag inside our pending intent, that means that another application which is going to perform this task cannot modify our pending intent. Another flag is mutable flag. So if we assign this flag to any pending intent, that pending intent can be modified by that application. But now the question is, if I assigned a pending intent and my application only want to update that flag, then we have another flag for that, flag update current. So if we assign this flag, then our app can always use this to modify its pending intent. In this current example, we don't want to allow the third party application to modify our pending, so we can just assign this flag immutable. And now if I try to run, then my app should run fine. Okay, so we are still getting the same error. That's because we are, I think, using pending intent in notification helper class as well. So we are using it inside our notification helper class as well. Here also I will add immutable flag. Yeah, okay. So now we have added this flag as well here. You can just try to run now. Okay, so we are getting one another error this is targeting as plus, flag immutable, pending intent. But now we are clear that we have added this proper flag everywhere, but still we are getting the crash. This crash is because we are using previous version of work manager dependency. To solve this error, actually if you see here, I have mentioned in my article as well this exact same error we are getting because we are using previous version of work manager. So we just need to update this work manager 2.6.0 version to latest 2.7.1, and then this error will be gone. And let's add this dependency inside our build.gradle. Okay, so let's sync our project, and now let's try to run our application, and it should work fine. This error should be solved now. Okay, so let's just wait this to install perfectly. Okay, so the app is installed now and it's running fine. Okay, let's just try to set one alarm. Okay, so we are getting the crash here and the error is saying that this is a security exception. And for this we need to add this schedule exact alarm permission. So basically this is one new permission which we need to add. If you see in this function on time set where I'm trying to add one alarm, so this error is coming. So yeah, here if you can see, like I am using this alarm manager and I'm just trying to set one exact alarm, but without this permission we are unable to do that task. So this is a permission which we need to add in order to be able to schedule any alarms. So let me go to Android manifest file and I will add this permission there. I will just add the same permission and run our application. Okay, so if we are trying to set one alarm, then the alarm is set and now we are getting the notification as well. So pending intent and alarm manager, both errors are solved and it's working fine now. We can see the notification is also triggered now. So next update is regarding Bluetooth permission. Okay, so if our application is using any BLE devices, so before we try to scan for any hardware or any Bluetooth device, we need to check for this permission at runtime. So we need to define this permission inside our manifest file as well. And then while trying to scan any hardware devices, we need to check like if this permission is available or not. If this permission is not available, then we are going to get this security exception again. So before we try to initiate any kind of hardware devices scan, which is related to Bluetooth beacons or anything related to BLE, we need to check for this permission. And if this is not present, then we can request it and then we can initiate the scan. Okay guys, so these was the remaining Android 12 updates, and once we update these changes inside our code bases, so our app should be ready to run on Android 31 API and it should successfully support Android 12. And guys, I have also posted one article which contain all of these migration journey notes. So if you want to check out any point, you can either go back to the video, and if you want to find out more details, you can just check out my article as well, and you should be able to fix all of these issues. So I hope I shared some valuable information with you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. See you in the next video.